Welcome back to my channel. Today we will make a full-size apron from a template using a poster board. The apron will be made from 100% Los Angeles Dodgers fabric that can be ordered from Joann's Fabric and Crafts store. If you prefer this fabric, details to follow after cutting the template. If it is no longer available from Joann's, try Etsy sellers. For the poster board template, we'll measure one side at 25 inches long, mark with a pencil. Measure the bottom at 10 inches, then mark again. Measure at the side at 18 inches and mark, then the top at 5 inches as shown. Connect all the points with a ruler so the lines can be straight, then cut out the template. You can pre-wash the fabric before cutting if you'd like, since cotton is known to shrink, then press afterwards. Fold your fabric lengthwise on the wrong side and place the template on top. Trace around the template onto the fabric. Add and mark 1 inch seam allowance around the trace lines, then cut the fabric. Open the fabric from the fold, place flat, and repeat with tracing the other side as shown. Fold the fabric up to the lines as shown. Press and fold once again and press again. Pin in place and repeat the process around the apron. Sew the edges and backstitch the ends. Measure approximately 30 inches for each strap for the sides and neck, which will total 4 pieces. Then cut, double fold the edges and attach one of the ends to the apron and pin the other end as shown. Stitch the straps onto the fabric and backstitch to secure them, then sew the ends of the straps. Cut all loose threads.